Okay, so on the way to work this morning, my engine check light lit up and I scanned it, and these are the codes that popped up. So 0125, insufficient coolant temperature for closed loop fuel control, and 0128, coolant thermostat, coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. And both of these recommended me to replace engine coolant thermostat, which is this right here. And it's located right in front of the engine. This is the part that we have to replace. So I'm going to show you how to replace that first. And if this doesn't fix it, then there are other sensors. So two of these sensors sit right here. So underneath this intake manifold, there's one, and then on the end. And this is the sensor for auxiliary fan to kick in. And I don't think that's the issue. So first, let's replace the thermostat and see how it goes. And make sure your engine is not hot. Make sure it's cooled down so that there's no other issues with hot coolant. All right, let's get right to it. All right, let's go ahead and remove this right here. 3 plastic clips. Okay, I'm going to remove these cables right here, and I'm going to take the fan out. Okay, so there's one T25 torque screw right here. Take that off. And then there's one plastic clip right here. Alright, and then the fan should be free. There we go. Alright, you see the thermostat, and there's 4 screws. Just gotta take the sensor out here. Okay. Okay, so we got 4 bolts to remove. How do you remove the cable here? And looking at the new one as reference, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the 4th one, or wherever located over here, is 13 millimeter. Everything else is 10. So let's get right to it. It's okay. And 2 at the bottom. One here. A little bit of coolant leaking. That's okay. So I'm gonna refill it up anyways. Do I can drop it. And now I'm going to remove the clips. So let's do that right now. Let's just remove this completely. And then I'm going to try to yank it. Coming out, yep. Okay. And let's remove the lower clip. right here. Okay. Remove the lower clip as well. And then pull. Just wiggle it. It's coming, it's coming. Okay. So the old thermostat is out. And to not lose the coolant, I'm going to remove or install the new one right away. Okay. Alright. I'm going to put the clips back on. Okay, that's not coming out. Okay. That's also not coming out. And then okay. Sitting nice. Okay, put the bolts. This is the 13mm. Okay. Same thing. Okay, now we're going to torque everything to 7.5 foot-pound or 90 inch-pound. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put the cable back on and we are done for the day. We'll have to put everything back on and I'll show you that too. Okay, let's put the fan back on. Everything is ready. Gotta get that T25 Torx. Put the screw back on first. Okay, and then that plastic clip on the other side. Okay. I'm gonna put the cable back on. Okay, and this long T25 bolt. And then this plastic clip on this side. Okay. And then the air scoop. And that finishes the job. Lots of clips here. 1, 2, and 3. One pin. Okay, everything's back on together. I just opened up my coolant tank here. I'm going to run it a little bit, bleed it out, and then fill up more if I need to. I definitely need to fill it up more because a good amount came out, so we'll see. I'm gonna run it for a little bit. See if the error goes away too, actually. Okay, I just went out for a drive and temperature has been good. I'm gonna see if I can read any codes here. See if it all went away. Got my blue driver and it's scanning. One code found still. Continue. Coolant thermostat, coolant temperature below thermostat. Regulating temperature, and I believe this will go away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually clear the codes and drive around for a while, see if anything comes back. Alright, so I've been driving about 3 days now and the engine check light has gone away. And the coolant temperature sensor is okay, and my temperature gauge does not act up anymore, so it fixed all of the fault codes that I had, and that was the issue for me. So thanks for watching, and that's how you replace the coolant thermostat.